So let's start making this video. Hey you guys, I'm Deepali Verma and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do this look that is inspired by Deepika Padukone. And as you all know that I love recreating celebrities makeup looks, so yeah, I am here. And in this look she had very beautiful eyes like I have done with nude lips. And I have tried nude lips first time, so I don't know how it is looking on me. Overall the look is just, I think, 80% similar to Deepika Padukone's look, and I know that I tried my best. But do let me know through your comment that I did justice in this look or no. So before I start this video, I should tell you that if you want to see my future videos, then you have to do one thing, that is subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get my next videos easily on time. So let's start this tutorial. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna moisturize my skin, and for that I'm using this Biotic coconut cream. And I have already cleansed my face, so yeah, I'm directly putting it on. And then I'm gonna use this Color Bar primer. It is my most favorite primer ever. It will make my face smooth and ready for foundation. And then I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm taking its matching shade to my complexion, so you can choose as per your complexion as well. And then I'm blending it with using this blender. For concealing my under eyes, I am taking this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. It is so thick, so I can use it as a concealer. And I'm using its 140 shade number. And then I'm also gonna blend it very well. And for setting my face, I'm gonna use this Revolution banana powder, and this is in the form of loose powder form. And then I'm gonna use it just for baking. And now I'm taking these bronzing pearls by Oriflame, and I'm gonna use it on my cheeks, nose, my jawline, just to give my face a sculpted look. Now it's turn for eye makeup, and then for that I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. And for setting my over eyes concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder first, and then I will use eyeshadow in the shade Brown Matte. And then I'm only blending it on my crease line, just to define my crease line as I'm doing right here. And now I'm gonna use this Revolution Brick highlighter as my eyeshadow. And for this I'm gonna take this color, this brown color, just to apply it on my eyelid. And then I'm also gonna apply it on my inner corners. So as you all know that I love applying highlighters on my inner corners. I cannot do without it. I just love it. So you can also try it, and I hope you will also like this technique for just pop out your eye makeup. Now I am gonna use this mascara by Lakme Iconic. This is also a curling mascara that gives a volume and curling effect to your eyelashes, so it's best. And then I'm dusting off all the excess powder that is on my under eyes. Now let's move on to eyebrows filling. And for this I'm gonna take this black matte color from the Maybelline 24K Nudes palette. And for highlighting I'm using this Revolution Brick highlighter as my highlighter, so I'm using its upper two shades because I just want a sheen effect in my makeup look. So for lips I'm using this nude lip shade as Deepika is wearing in this look. So yeah guys, it's done, and I hope I did justice to this look. And especially in this look I just love the combination of these kind of beautiful eyes with nude lips. I just love it. So guys, this is my final look that is inspired by Deepika Padukone's makeup look. So if you also want to carry this makeup look, you just need to follow those simple steps what I have done in this video. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you like, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon. I'm speaking it again because I know that your one subscription can encourage me to make many more makeup videos. And you can also follow me on other social medias sites, like you can follow me on Instagram with my name Deepali Verma Makeup Artist, and you can see other looks of me, and you can also get updates what is going on in my life. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. So yeah, I will see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep doing makeups. Mwah.